Hello, so I just wanted to create a little video to give a little bit of help to anybody learning with my take-home workshop kits just now. It's just to talk about how to hold the pen properly and use the pens at a certain pace. So it doesn't matter which of the brush pens you're using, you're always going to hold the pen to the side. So if I'm drawing along this line, my pen always sits to the side, it doesn't turn itself back this way, and this is to allow the tip to work properly. So if I hold it to the side, and notice I'm also holding it quite low, I never hold it too far back because you lose control. So hold it down here, and then we're just going to work, if I show you, if I press on heavily and I've got it in the right angle, it makes a nice thick line, but if I turn it back this way, it doesn't function the same. It's the same no matter which pen you use. So if you ordered some different pens with my pack, you may have one of these other ones, and they just don't work the same way using them in the wrong angle. So make sure again it's always to the side. And if you've got one of these small pens, you need to work quite firm. They've got quite a solid tip on them, these little sparkly Pentel ones. So you need to work the tip. If you're doing a thin line, it'll work itself, it's nice and solid, but to do a thin line, you're just pressing in and pushing and you'll bend the tip. And again, you need to make sure that your hand is holding it round to the side and holding it with that kind of grip shown on the sheets. So if I just do a little example with this one again, so we're going to go thick down, lifting the weight off and coming up to the top nice and thin, and then putting the weight back down again. And if you're using, oh sorry, I wobbled the camera. If you using the little pen, it's exactly the same. So again, heavy pressure and then taking the pressure right off to get that light thin line. With these little ones as well, you want to make sure you work nice and slowly as well. The temptation is always to work quite fast, but you'll see it looks almost as though the ink runs out when you do that. So nice and slow and controlled all the way through from start to finish.